Hello friends, welcome to Vidyut Tech. This is Sai Prakash. Boom friends, here I came to Luminous Company Godown. In this video I would like to unbox BIOS 900 of Luminous Company. This is the inverter friends. Here you can see BIOS 900 model name Luminous Company. Here you can see the Sachin Tendulkar photo. He is the brand ambassador of Luminous Company friends. Here you can see sine wave. This is the sine wave inverter friends. You can see here logo also. So this provides better performance and less noisy and provides safety for the devices. Okay friends, over here you can see the display indications, mains available, battery charging, eco mode, UPS mode, low battery and overload. It will display the following indications. Okay, alarm, it will alarm when battery low, pre-alarm, battery low, overload, short circuit and faults takes place. Okay, over here you can see the warranty of 24 months friends. And here you can see that friends, key features, rugged technology designed for high performance and longer backup time, specially suited for Indian power conditions. Auto holiday mode preserves battery charging and safeguards battery life. Okay, supports a wide range of batteries with 3-step charging current and 4-step battery type selection. Adaptive battery charging control technology ABCC ensures faster charging and enhances battery life up to 70%. Okay, charges the battery with full current even at 90%. Even the voltage is 90 voltage also, it is going to charge your battery. Protections, it will protect from short circuit, battery deep discharge, overload and over temperature. Okay friends, over here you can see Luminous Company BIOS 900 model. Now I am going to unbox it. This is the top of the inverter friends. Over here you can see, while connecting battery, correct polarity should be followed. Okay, recommended battery for 12 volts 80 ampere hour to 150 ampere hour. You have to select battery in this range, 80 ampere hours to 150 ampere hours. Friends, over here you can see BIOS 900 model name, and over here you can see company name Luminous. This is mains, charging, eco mode, UPS mode, battery low, overload, power on and power off button. This is the display indications friends. Okay, here whenever mains is on, it is going to glow this. Charging, whenever the charging takes place, it is going to glow this LED, battery charging. Okay, eco mode, UPS mode. You can select any of the mode based on your requirement. If you have electronic appliances, you have to select the UPS mode like computer. If you have electrical appliances, you have to connect to eco mode. Low battery, whenever the low battery takes place, it is going to glow this. Overload, whenever the overload takes place, it is going to glow. This is power on and power off button. Here you can see the logo friends, sinusoidal logo. So this is the sine wave inverter. Friends, this is the back side of the inverter. Here you can see positive terminal of the battery. This is negative terminal of the battery. This is output of the inverter friends. Okay, this is input 230 volts and the frequencies of 50 Hz. You have to take this out. Okay, here you have to take the input for the inverter. Okay, this is fuse friends. You have to replace it with the new fuse if it is blow out due to short circuit or any overload. Okay, here you can see friends, Luminous model is of BIOS 900. Input rated voltage 230 volts AC. Rated current is of 4.55 amperes. Frequency is of 50 Hz single phase. Output rated voltage is of 220 volts AC. Rated current is of 3.34 amperes. Frequency 50 Hz with a tolerance of 0.5 Hz. Okay, single phase. And coming to here, you can see the capacity of 800 volt amperes and active power rating of 588 watts. Operating temperature 0 to 45 degrees centigrade. DC bus rating of 12 volts DC and 55 amperes. So it is the single battery inverter, friends. Here you can see 12 volts DC. Okay, here you can see the heat sink, friends. It is going to control the temperature. You can select UPS mode or eco mode. Here you can see the battery type. You can select based on your requirement. Tubular, flat, SMF, local. Any of the battery type based on your requirement. Friends, this is having volt ampere rating of 800 volt amperes. So you can load up to 2 lights, 3 fans and 1 TV. Okay, this is used for home as well as shop also, but you can use mostly in the home appliances. Friends, this is a 12 volts DC supply, so this is the single battery inverter. As this is a sine wave technology, you can run your devices very safely and less noisy and with a better performance. Okay, this is having 4 battery types. You can select any of them. This is also having charging current selection. Okay, UPS mode or eco mode based on your requirement. UPS mode is for the electronic appliances like computers. Eco mode is for the electrical appliances. Okay, and coming to this is mainly used in the cities, friends, rather than the villages. Okay, because voltage drop is very less. Friends, after knowing the detailed explanation of this product, I hope you don't hesitate to call to the number on the screen. If you have any doubts or if you want to buy this product, please call to the number on the screen, friends. 9966979707. Friends, if you like the video, please do like, share and comment for the video. Subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching the video, friends.